Hi guys, Exeter Rider. Now I've just arrived at Pro Tyre in Exeter and I'm getting some new BMW tyres. I've just done this vlog and the blimmin' SD card packed in on me, which I'm having a lot of problems with this GoPro at the moment doing that. I've got about 1 or 2 mil left on the front tyre. This is the rear tyre. This is the Metzeler Z6s. So they've seen better days. They've got a big flat spot on them and I've never got on with them. They've always felt like they were trying to chuck me off at every opportunity. Whereas the front is always I've always had a bit of confidence in, but again, it's seen better days now. That's probably, yeah, it's probably 1 mil, 1.5. So, new tyres for the BMW. I'm here at Pro Tyre. It's the second time I've come here. First time I come here, I asked for the BT03s, which are made by Bridgestone, and I turned up and they had the Metzeler Z8s for me for some reason. So, second time lucky, and yeah, next time you see me, if my camera works, then I'll have nice new tyres that won't be so slippery as these. See you in a minute. Well then folks, so there you go. So there's my set of Bridgestone BT03s. Here they're good tyres. They're kind of just above average apparently, which is what I was expecting. I didn't get much choice anyway. It was either the Z8s, which I know Noob Biker likes, but because I had Z6s before, I didn't really get on with them. I thought I would try these. So yeah, so that's the Bridgestone BT03s. Got some good tread on there now, so that's a good peace of mind. So I've got to take it easy, let all the slippy slidey stuff sweat out, which will take some time. Yeah, you can really feel that it's got to sweat all the whatever it is, compound that they use to get it out. It's rock and roll. Whoa, I can already feel actually that that flat spot's gone. That's always an instant thing that you notice when you get your tyres done if you've had a flat spot. Cheers bro, thank you. Cool. Much easier to turn as well when it's still, when it's idling. Before that was really heavy to do, but this is much better now already. But as I say, you know, when you get your tyres done, you've got to be so careful. Bloody hell, it tips in easier now. What an instant difference. But I've got to turn this camera off now, unfortunately. Oh, bloody hell, I'm not used to it turning in so easily. Yeah, I've got to turn the camera off now because these GoPros don't like the dry, let alone the wet. So thanks for watching. Bit of something enough in that really, wasn't it? But I thought I might as well film it anyway. But yeah, feels great. Oh, that's lovely. Alright, catch you later guys. I almost forgot to say thank you very much for everybody that voted in the poll that I put out a little while ago. So I put a poll out saying what do you guys think? Should it be Z8s or should it be the BT03s? And it was pretty much hands down going to be the BT03. So yeah, thank you very much for you guys for recommending that. I've ridden about 3 miles now, and yeah, it's brilliant. It's just nice that the bike moves a lot easier now. It feels a lot more freer. It felt like it was dragging a bit before. But anyway, thanks a lot, and I'll see you Sunday.